Gonna show you how to create a S3 static website hosting using CloudFront and S3. So right now just go and create a bucket. Put bucket name whichever you wanted. It should be unique. For now I'm gonna put it as demo bucket 265, and I'm gonna enable this ACLs as well. And if you just scroll down and uncheck this block all public access, that means you are giving public access. And no, I'm not gonna change anything here. Just create a bucket. See, we created a bucket. It's so easy. And now we're gonna go into that bucket and place few files in that. Now click on that demo bucket 265. Now if you can see here, it is showing actions, create folder, upload, properties, permissions. You can just upload or create a folder. You can just drag and drop. You can do anything here. So for now I'm gonna click on create folder. I just want to show you. That's it. Okay, now I'm gonna upload files. So here it is mentioned drag and drop files and folders you want to upload here. So I'm gonna just drag and drop my index.html file, which we're gonna use it, and in that I've written some HTML code as well. So add files. This okay, I'm gonna just drag and drop. See, I've just pasted index.html page. Now I'm gonna upload it, and you can see it here in files and folders. So that's it. After that, we have to do static website hosting enable, but I'm not gonna do it now, but I will just show you where it is. It's in the bottom of properties, and so let's go to permissions now. So if we can just scroll down, you will see the access control list ACL, and here I'm gonna check read in list for everyone, and we have to check that one as well. Now click on save changes, just scroll down a bit, click on edit, and here you have to place a bucket policy. That means whichever actions we are allowing in this bucket, like placing the object, uploading or deleting the object and all stuff. So this is the policy I've already created for this video. So we can just see here the bucket name. We have to place our bucket name. So in this case our bucket name is demo bucket 265, so I'm replacing it. Now just scroll down, click on save changes. That's it. Now again we have to go back to properties, scroll down till the end, and now click on edit. We have to enable this one. Okay, so scroll down in the index document. We have to write index.html as we uploaded that in bucket, and we're gonna use that for hosting. Now click on save changes. Okay, now it is done from S3 side. Now let's go to CloudFront. Just search CloudFront in the search bar. So here you can see, click on it. So that one I've already done it before, so that's no use of using it. So we're gonna create new one. So that is the bucket which we created right now, so you will get automatically a pop-up here, you can just auto select it. You don't have to create or write any new name. Origin access, so here I am selecting legal access identity. See, that's an automatic one. I've created it before, so select as, and at the bottom you don't have to do anything mostly, but if you just scroll down, see, you can see here redirect HTTP to HTTPS, so check that one. And if you just scroll down a bit again, no, we're not gonna update certificate. Yeah, you can see default root object here, index.html. That's it. So we have to update that one. That means we are redirecting whenever we get any error message. Now click on do not enable security protections. Alright, create distribution. Let's see, we're done with distribution. Now let's wait for some time to get this one in active. Now refresh it. No, it's staying. Okay, now it worked. Again refresh it and now open it. So click on that link, copy the distribution domain name, paste it in a new tab. You guys can't see because I hided it. So that's it. We did static website hosting using S3 and CloudFront. Thank you.